I'm here in Orlando for a few days this week at Microsoft Ignite and Envision, two conferences side by side catering to the IT professionals and developers at Ignite and business users at Envision, about 30,000 people split between the two. The main announcements fall into three buckets: security, AI and data, and IoT and edge computing. I'm just focusing on the AI and data segment for now. Microsoft is joining the quest to automate more of the machine learning development process with a new feature in Microsoft Azure that automates the selection of algorithms and hyperparameter tuning, basically a shortcut in the data science process. I say joining the quest because Google is already out there with its own AutoML functionality, and we expect AWS to do something similar this quarter, while there are numerous smaller companies out there attempting to do this. Why? That's because too much time is being spent by data scientists preparing data, figuring out which algorithm they should use to train their model, retuning hyperparameters, training the model again and again and again until they get optimal results. That kind of approach will ultimately prevent us from scaling machine learning, so automated machine learning in Microsoft Azure makes a lot of sense. Microsoft also announced a new search engine, yes, another one, called Microsoft Search, a unified search engine that runs across all of Microsoft 365. It also announced AI for Humanitarian Action, a new $40 million 5-year program that will harness the power of AI for disaster recovery, helping children, protecting refugees and displaced people, and promoting respect for human rights, working with NGOs. In terms of industry news overall, I guess the big one was the Open Data Initiative, announced on stage alongside Bill McDermott, CEO of SAP, and Adobe CEO Shantanu Narayan. It's a kind of common data model to enable applications from all three vendors to access customer data in the same way, a sort of customer integration platform approach. They tell us engineers have been working together for a while now on it. However, it's still very much at the initiative phase, I think it's fair to say. And it's also very much tied to Microsoft Azure. There's no danger of SAP or Adobe competing with Microsoft as a public cloud provider after all. Satya Nadella's keynote was one of the best I've seen for a while. He not only did it fit within 1 hour, he got a customer case study in within the first couple of minutes explaining what Shell is doing with machine learning, and later including quick mentions of many other companies including BMW, Eli Lilly, CBRE and H&M. Anyway, lots more to come in terms of research from us at 451 on Microsoft's latest developments, but for now it's goodbye from Orlando.